Oh my goodness. Yo, it's original steady rocking 80. You know me always ready and me rock steady. Me up in New York City. But the cold are too much over here. Oh my God. The cold in New York City too much. So from Rima, original shatter from Rima, Jamaica, you know. So me over here making sure everything alright, but the cold are too much, you know. So me I think we are going when we are going back to Jamaica, we have to play the music a little bit different. Like this time around we have to sing something like me I'm coming in, I'm coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in from the cold. Yes, I coming in, I'm coming in, I'm coming in, I'm coming in, I'm coming in from the cold. Yes, sir. That's how we have to do that, you know. Yes, sir, original road boy from Jamaica. But we are in New York City. Too cold over here, but we have to run it.
Bring your plates. Let me give you food so that we can eat and enjoy. Let's eat and enjoy. Biko onya wala wetefele kam kunyere ya nri. Ai die nri. Onya obola wetefele kam kunyere onya obola nri o. Let's eat and enjoy. Biko wetefele kam kunyere onu. Ai die nri. Let's eat and enjoy.
The question Igbo. But how do we know? But in a so Jamaica sings.
The question Igbo. How do we know?
Hey, Jamaican mega, we just my group they go up. Hey, the question Arabalamo. Nabiko Mesrum, Mesrum, hey, came and be back to the Becan, we be. Hey, I know what the beacon or children. Hey, Namesanogua, Mesanogua, Kurakabacanti, Mesanogua, Kurabakabacanti, Chineke, the one the Becan, your regarding. Man, don't give me Rasta fried rice. I make in the Jamaica. I go to Bomodo because Meson do Ranyebe. Chineke le kumunnem do because you give away. Hey, no gam the mega ke Jamaica Rasta fried rice. Hey, the one ria palamo. Hey, Mesori bem Meson ogba kuraka vacanti o cherenum Meson do. Hey. I go to Bola.
We4We MEDIA Pinnacle Entertainment.